Good evening, friends. This is Krutarth. My registration number is UR15CS025. This is my fourth experiment in data structures. So it gives us implementation of singly linked list, implementation of following operations in singly linked list, insertion operation at the front of the list, at the back of the list, and at any position in the list, deletion of element from the list, searching an element in the list, displaying all elements in the list. So the program goes like this. Hash include iostream using namespace std, structure node, node pointer link, integer data, pointer head. This is used to define the structure for that node. Void insert front, and in front you have to insert the data. In the front it will check whether the head is null. If head is null, then it will push the new node in head, or else it will just push it in the front part of the link and change the head accordingly. Insert at the end, it will insert the data at the end, and for that it should traverse through the link and check whether the node pointer link is null or not, and then delete front, deleting the element from the front. Last element deleted would show the last element deleted from the list. Then delete end, it would be showing the node monkey pointer is used to jump from one point to another to see whether the link of that node is null or not. Then it would delete the node from the last of that list and insert mid. This function is used to take the value from the user for which we have to after which element we have to insert, or after which node we have to insert, and it will insert the element accordingly. Delete mid, we can, if you want to delete from between the this list, using this function we can delete. Then void display is in this, it would display the list, and void search element, it would search for any given element. Now it would also show the position at which it is searched, and in int main it has, I have used do while loop and various switch cases to see different operations of this singly linked list. Now let's see the program, how it works. Press 1 to insert in front, enter the data. If I am giving as 10, okay, I am giving as 14, press Y to continue. I am giving as 12, press Y to continue. I am giving I want to add at end 2, I will be giving as 18, press Y to continue. If I want to insert in the middle, I will give as 3, after which value I want to add after 14, and I want to add 15, data should be 15, press Y to continue. Now I want to add one more element after 15, so I would be adding 16. Now it should display what all I have entered. This whole thing I have entered 12, 16, 15, then 14 and 18. Okay. Now what should it should do? Like delete an element from the middle. So I would press 6. Let me press once more, enter the data 12, Y to continue, press 2 to insert at the end. I want to insert at the end 14, press Y to continue. I want to insert at the end 15, press Y, 8 to display. This all elements I have done. Now I want to delete from the middle, so I will be pressing 6. Which element you want to delete? I want to delete 14. Deleted element is 14. Okay. Now whether I want to do more or not, I will see for this. If I want to search the element, then first, so I have to do 12, then Y to continue. So at the front 11, I to continue, 10. That's right. I want to search for 12. Then I want to give 7. Search for what? 12. Okay. Element found at position 1. Press Y to continue. This is how the program runs.